If your Epic Games launcher is acting slow, not loading properly, or showing strange errors, clearing the cache is one of the fastest fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the cache in Epic Games step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to remove the launcher's web cache safely and get things running smoothly again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, you want to fully close the Epic Games launcher. This part is important because if the launcher is still running in the background, Windows may not let you delete the cache files, so make sure the app is completely closed before moving on. Next, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %locale AppData%, then press Enter or click OK. This will open your local AppData folder, which stores files for many installed applications, including Epic Games. Once the folder opens, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Inside that folder, find the saved folder and open that as well. This is where the launcher keeps several stored files, including the Webcache. Now you're going to delete the Webcache folder. If you also see a folder called Webcache_4147, delete that too. These folders are safe to remove because the launcher will rebuild fresh cache files the next time it starts. Deleting them can help fix loading problems, login issues, blank screens, or other launcher glitches. After deleting those folders, close File Explorer and restart your computer. Restarting helps make sure any leftover background processes are cleared and gives the launcher a clean start. Once your PC turns back on, open the Epic Games launcher again and check if the issue is resolved. In most cases, clearing the cache is enough to get the launcher working properly again. And that's it. You've now cleared the cache in Epic Games the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.